Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marinara sauce for lasagna. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 28-ounce can of high-quality crushed tomatoes. You will also need fresh basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. This simple yet robust recipe ensures a rich, flavorful sauce, perfect for your homemade lasagna. To start, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 large diced onion and cook until it softens and becomes translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, deglaze the pan with a 1/4 cup of dry red wine, scraping up any brown bits. Now pour in a 28-ounce can of high-quality crushed tomatoes. Add a handful of fresh basil leaves and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it cook for at least 1 hour, or even longer, stirring occasionally. This slow simmer allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Once the sauce has simmered, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. If the sauce tastes a bit too acidic, stir in about 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, just before you are ready to use it in your lasagna, stir in a generous handful of fresh chopped parsley for a bright, fresh finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.